continued fallout from the 2020 election, a lawsuit targeting Wisconsin's false Republican electors and potentially millions of dollars at stake. 12 News political director Matt Smith has tonight's developments.
Against Andrew Hitt, Robert Spindell Jr.
This afternoon, a virtual and procedural court hearing in what could become a lengthy and high-profile process centered on former President Donald Trump ahead of 2024. The lawsuit seeking nearly $2.5 million from Wisconsin's 10 Republican electors who secretly met at the Capitol in December 2020, trying to submit false paperwork claiming Donald Trump won Wisconsin instead of Joe Biden.
In conspiracy coming out of the fraudulent elector scheme of the 2020 election.
The suit accusing the former president and his allies of a conspiracy to overturn the results of the 2020 election, now under investigation by the Justice Department that includes key battleground states like Wisconsin, attempting to deliver the paperwork to then Vice President Mike Pence on January 6th.
I'm curious, in those moments on that day, were you aware of that plan?
I was not aware of any plan to present alternate electors.
And Matt, that's you questioning the former vice president last November. What's next in this case, and investigations underway in other states as well?
Yeah, Patrick, tonight most notably in Georgia, where a local district attorney is investigating that state's false electors. This lawsuit in Wisconsin, filed by the liberal group Law Forward, is seeking both several $1 million in damages and a judge to say this group of electors can never be Republican electors again.
We'll continue to follow it. Matt Smith live in the newsroom tonight.